What's up, everybody? Welcome back and happy Thanksgiving. What I want to show you in this video is that you can groove or just dance without popping. Why is this important? This is the training that I would do myself along with a lot of my students, is really focusing on being on beat. The problem with a lot of beginning students, when we try to focus on just popping hard, I see majority of the students are ahead of the beat, which means that's a good way of saying off beat. Today in this video is just focusing on really being on beat. Okay, so I kind of separate the training, these two training, popping hard versus being on beat. Sometimes you need to do that to revisit yourself. If you film yourself, you see that you're off beat. Sometimes you got to just take focus on and just be on beat. And that's what this one is right here. Really focus on the music. Make sure your movements are with the beat. And obviously, next step, add that hard pop in there. And if you guys like this video, I definitely appreciate the likes. Of course, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with those that can benefit from it. Again, I want to thank every one of you for supporting my channel. Being that today is Thanksgiving, I am giving thanks to the universe out there. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your great day today, this whole entire weekend. Have fun shopping tomorrow, being that it's Black Friday. Enjoy your weekend. Don't drink and drive. Stay alive. And I'll see you on the other side. Later.